Hey guys, so we are on our final unit of study. Can you even believe it? 13.8 billion years. It's like crazy. This is your quick introduction to the future. And I'm really sorry, but I had to put the Jetsons on there. So, because, flying cars. Anyways, so in this last unit, Unit 10, the focus moves from the past and the present to the future. And historians are not accustomed to making predictions about the future, not usually anyways, as their work really relies on primarily on the analysis of documents and objects that already exist. But because of the nature of big history, the course does allow for different types of predictions about the future. In fact, we're going to see some predictions about trends in the near future are possible in a number of areas, like resource availability, carbon levels in the atmosphere, temperature change, and population growth are just some of the topics that allow for this type of prediction, right? Predicting the remote future, ironically, can be done with somewhat greater confidence because scientists are quite confident, for example, about the characteristics of our sun, and as a result, they can speak confidently about when it will run out of fuel and actually die. So basically, what you've learned in other units in this course are going to allow for you to approach predictions about both the near and the distant future here. Okay, our driving question really is, what's the next threshold? In other words, what's the next part of our future going to be? And I have your learning outcomes there for you as well. I'm really excited because this is where we're going to be able to incorporate more of our historical lens into thinking about what our future is going to hold for us. Okay, I'm really excited for this last unit. I'm just always excited in general with you guys, but this has just been a phenomenal trip for me going through these 13.8 billion years with you, and I hope you agree. It's just been a great semester. So thanks so much, and I'll be talking to you throughout the course, so hit those media comments. Okay, all right, bye guys.